Okay, and you pick judge number one. Your question, sir.
Good morning, candidate number three. How are you?
Good morning, sir. Hi, kids.
Okay, so this is your question. What is your personal advocacy and how do you plan to use your platform as Mr. and Miss Islam to promote it within the province of Ilocos Sur? I repeat, what is your personal advocacy and how do you plan to use your platform as Mr. and Miss Islam to promote it within the province of Ilocos Sur?
My advocacy is sports equality, and I would like to use this platform to influence everybody in my province to help people to have a province where we are not being discriminated by our peers because our province is rich in culture and heritage. And I know that if we value respect and we value some we value equality, there is nothing that we cannot do. I would use this platform to encourage my youth, my fellow athletes, to become a model student, a model person that they can be influenced with. I am here right now being that model student, and I would also want to influence other people to be just like me, to have the power and hold responsibility with their actions because I think that if we all are equal and if we unite, we promote a province full with responsibility and equality. And we will have a community of inclusivity. Thank you.
And thank you, candidate number three.